race at Oktoberfest. And here they come to get the green flag. Oh, and we got some action right away. Into the tailgate, man.
Holy cow, starting her off right at the get-go here.
Man, they are all over the place. On that 31 truck in the front row, now he's in the back. I don't know what's going on. A lot of shaking. Oh, and we got one high and wide. That would be Martindale.
Look out, trucks all over between 1 and 2.
And your leader, Dave Coughlin, an Iowa driver, leading this one in the number 68. Tim Hedberg from Minnesota in the number 6, Mark Saarinen in the 99 truck. That's one of the Swanson team trucks. He's up on the outside. There goes Mark Saarinen in the 99 truck. And Saarinen taking the lead. Hedberg now moves into second in the 6 truck. 31 is Wilkie back up to the front. We got 2 Minnesota drivers leading this one. Couple Iowa drivers. Oh, look out! The 31 gets turned around. 68, holy cow.
You can't see through the
sharp driving there by the 21 to Saarinen and Hedberg. Then it's Christofferson and Farrell. Your top 4 trucks. And it's Saarinen leading them around, but Hedberg down on the inside in the 6th truck. Saarinen very high this time, and Hedberg, Kim Hedberg. 3 laps to go. Hedberg's got the lead. Saarinen trying to hang on in the number 99 truck. Then it's Christofferson in 9. We got him door to door coming out of turn 4. They are dead even that time around. Saarinen trying to hang on. Hedberg down on the inside. And then it's a number 9 of Christofferson, 3rd. 1 lap to go, and they make some contact. Saarinen loose down in turn 1. Hedberg pulling away, but now Saarinen back up on his outside in the 99 truck. Hedberg's got the advantage, but Saarinen now pulls up to his outside. I think it's going to be Hedberg. It is Kim Hedberg. Mark Saarinen, Art Christofferson, Jamie Farrell, and Mark Anderson. He's out of Apple Valley, Minnesota. 18, Jerry Anderson. And bringing up the rear, series point leader Jerry Seibel out of Campbellsport, Wisconsin. This will go 8 laps. Hedberg up high in the 7. Vinnie Wilkinson down low. And Hedberg takes the lead down the backstretch. Hedberg, Wilkinson, Heinrichs, and Steenbargen, the top 4 trucks. And Wilkinson off the pace, coming off of turn 2. Not sure if he's got a problem on board or just got loose, but Heinrichs immediately to his outside in the 95. So it's Zach Hedberg, the son of the father-son team, and then it's Heinrichs in 95. Steenbargen runs 3rd in the 62. And Vinnie Wilkinson's got a switch in the 27. The 27 looks a little bit loose in the turns. Gordy Swanson now moving up in the 91 truck, trying to get around Wilkinson. It's Hedberg, Heinrich, Steenberg, and Swanson now moving to the outside of Wilkinson into fourth in the number 91 truck. A good race for the lead here. It's Hedberg and Heinrich. Steenbergen in the 62. Jeff Steenbergen, a young college student out of Waupun, Wisconsin, running in third. Heinrich now to the inside of Hedberg, trying to take over the lead in the 95 truck. He's got the lead. Hedberg now second. Steenbergen third. There's the 27 with a flat tire making contact with Farsovka, and the 60. He's trying to get it off the track. 1 lap to go. Wilkinson takes it down to the inside. He's trying to get off on the access road as they get on the backstretch. Heinrich stretching on a lead. Hedberg runs second. Steenbergen third, and now Swanson fourth. Wilkinson gets that 27 truck into the infield. It's going to be Danny Heinrich, your winner out of Green Bay, Wisconsin. Zach Hedberg, Jeff Steenbergen, Gordy. Far under the hoods of these machines. It'll be Kim Hedberg and Jamie Farrell, 2 Minnesota drivers up on row 1. Art Christofferson in the number 9 from Iowa, Toddville, Iowa, down on the inside of row number 2. And they're setting a pretty slow pace. The green is out, and we're off for 30 laps. Farrell takes the immediate lead. And Jamie Farrell and Kim Hedberg pace this one. Both from Minnesota on the front row. And it's going to be Hedberg leads them around lap number 1. Kim Hedberg, Farrell second. Now Christofferson, Art Christofferson down on the inside. He was the winner of the most recent race up at Lake Geneva. Christofferson slides by Farrell into second, and he brings Mark Anderson with him. And the 27 of Vince Wilkinson looking down to the inside also. And Farrell is up on that outside lane and not the place he wants to be. Kim Hedberg pulling away. Kim Hedberg, your leader. Christofferson second in the 9. Third, Mark Anderson. He's overdue for a win. Mark Anderson has run very well this year, but no feature wins. And it's Danny Heinrich and Vince Wilkinson, along with Bill Preetzel on the move. Heinrich now up into the 4th spot. Wilkinson trying to hang on to the number 5 position. Lots of traffic back in the pack. Hey, Gordy Swanson makes a move around Terry Marzofka. Gordy Swanson now up into the number 7 position in the 91 truck. Now up on Mark Anderson's back bumper in a 85 goes to the outside of the 88. Trying to get into the number 3 spot, Danny Heinrichs. And he's cleaning around the 88. Up into the number 3 spot is Heinrichs. Now Wilkinson trying to get around Anderson. Gordy Swanson to the outside of Bill Preetzel. Back in the pack. A good battle for the number 4 spot. There's 7 trucks. And we got some oil coming out of the back of the 21 truck. He's off the track down in turn 2. Or it may be water. Farrell spins it out down in the infield. And then it's Vince Wilkinson. And Hedberg hangs on to that lead. Christofferson second, Heinrichs third, Wilkinson fourth, and look at Gordy Swanson go on the outside in the 91 truck. Gordy Swanson working on Mark Anderson. It looks like he's going to get by. Oh, they touch coming out of turn 4, but Swanson hangs on. The 88 making some contact, but Swanson gets by. He's now running 5th, and Heinrichs has gotten around Christofferson for 2nd. Hedberg, your leader. Heinrichs, then is Christofferson. Wilkinson. And Swanson, and then there's a big group of trucks behind the 88 of Mark Anderson, including the point leader, Jerry Seibel, trying to stay out of trouble in the 23. Hedberg the leader, Heinrich second, Christofferson third, Wilkinson in a battle for the number 4 spot with Swanson. Heinrich now moving up on the inside, trying to get to the inside of Hedberg. And Heinrich loose down in 1. The back end got loose, but he's making a run to the inside, and he's still loose. Going down the backstretch. Hedberg hanging on to that lead. The back end of Heinrich's truck has been very loose the last few laps. Seibel now moving up and clear of traffic. He is looking for just a clean race so he can wrap up this title. And Heinrich still trying to get by Hedberg. They're door to door as they come off of turn 4. They are door to door, Heinrich and Hedberg. Hedberg noses ahead down the backstretch. And Hedberg is going to hang on this time by. Heinrich is second on the inside lane. Christofferson. Heinrich loose again. Boy, he swings the back of that truck out in turn 1. Hedberg trying to hang on in the 6th. Heinrich putting off. Hedberg is loose coming off of 4. Heinrich to the inside. And they make contact down in 1. Heinrich again sideways. And Christofferson just waiting for those two to make a mistake. He's running along cleanly in 3rd. Hedberg is still leading, but he's just hanging on. Little high that time was Hedberg, but he's getting a run off of the number 2 turn down the backstretch. Heinrich on the inside. They are side by side once again. Heinrich, I think, had the lead that time. And oh, he takes the leader out. 95 and 6. Still plenty of laps to get this done. And Christopherson up high. Swanson makes a move to the inside. Swanson down to the inside. Gordy Swanson from Apple Valley, Minnesota takes the lead in the number 91 truck. Christopherson now second. Wilkinson third. And Steenbergen fourth. Swanson the leader. In the 91 truck, that's a Ford-bodied machine. Christopherson second. Wilkinson trying to move on the inside. And Vinnie Wilkinson now second. And they are wheel to wheel in a battle for second. Steenbergen now to the inside. And Christopherson trying to hang on in the 9. The battle is for second. Gordy Swanson pulling away. Your leader, Swanson. And now Wilkinson. Wilkinson running second. Christopherson third. Your leader, the driver that won the Larry Ware's Dedication to Racing Award, his out front, Gordy Swanson. 27, Wilkinson. Steenbergen, and it's Seibel. Christopherson drifts back to fifth. Marzofko working on him in the number 60 truck. And that's Mark Eberhardt in the 1, Bill Preetzel in the 588, Mark Anderson. The 60 and the 9 are side by side in a battle for the number 5 spot. The number 98 pulls it into the pit area. Swanson cruising along in the 91, and it's a battle for second. Wilkinson and Steenbergen. Seibel runs fourth, and it's Marzofka. Christopherson and Mark Eberhardt now moves up in the number 1 truck. 4 laps remaining for your leader, Gordy Swanson. Your leader is smoothly pulling away as the other drivers battle for the number 2 spot. Gordy Swanson consistently pulling away from the field, and it's Wilkinson, Steenbergen, Seibel hoping to wrap up that crown. He needs to stay out of trouble in the remaining laps. And it's Marzofka. The white flag is out for Gordy Swanson. And then it's Wilkinson and Steenbergen and Seibel and Marzofka. Christopherson. A half a lap for Gordy Swanson. He's going to take this win home for his family. Gordy Swanson's going to be your winner. Number 91. 27 and 62. Finished second and third, and it's Seibel. Gonna wrap up the championship in a 23 truck. Jerry Seibel. For Gordy Swanson. And then it's Wilkinson and Steenbergen and Seibel and Marzofka. Christopherson. A half Wonderful lap for Gordy Swanson. He's going to take this win home for his family. Gordy Swanson's going to be your winner, number 91. 27